So hello everyone. So today I'm going to review the Searchlight. LED, this is LED light and with the digital multifunctional uh, LED Searchlight, and I just got it and just take out the box. And here gonna open the box to see what we're gonna have inside. So inside here we have a really big LED light. This is very good for camping and outdoor activity at night. So here the body is made from the aluminum, so it's really strong and really well built. And here you have this screw hole to mount the tripod if you are doing some like maybe the studio shooting or something. But it is a really good feature that a flashlight or the emergency light that have. So here in the body you have these arrays of LED lights. So it's maybe you do camping and you bring it inside, you turn it on, and here we have the button to turn on the light. And initially it is protected by a ring that prevent maybe the light turn on during the shipping. And here we have the big this is we have the lens to protect the light into the maybe the very long distance. And this is look really cool. And let me remove the ring to see how bright it is. So they secured it by a tape. And here we have two buttons, and it's a yellow button here. If we press this one, I believe we're gonna turn on this kind of light. So let's press it. Oh, it's really bright. So if we do like this, put it here, it's gonna be the light. We bring it to the camping tent, so it serves as these reading light. And if we press one more time, it is red light for the emergency case. Maybe when your car is broken on the road, you turn it on, and so that other cars can see you. And we turn one more time, it's like flashing emergency light. So it's really cool. And we press it one more time, it stops. And here if we press this button, we're gonna turn on the headlight. So it's really cool, it's really bright. And we turn one more, we reduce the intensity. One more is a light of flashing, it's like emergency light too. And one more, we turn it off. And in the back we have the port for charging. So we have an additional cable for charging. So we plug it in here. Okay, so when you plug it in here they say we can use the 5 volt 3 ampere to charge it. So we can use the normal phone charger to charge this LED. So it's cool. That's why they doesn't include the charger, because we can use any kind of charger that have the output of 5 volt to charge it. And here we have the strap, so we can carry it or we can along our body. So there are two little hole here, I believe, so we can put the strap in, and here another hole to put it in. I'm not putting it right now because it requires tools to put in, since we have to remove the metal ring. Okay, that's it. That is the cool LED flashlight.